Hello students, I am Dr. Meenakshi Maur, Assistant Professor, Zoology, Sri Samlaji Government College, Mandvya, Chittorgarh. Today my topic is gene mutation. It is mutation part 4. I have already discussed chromosomal mutation, in which I discussed structural chromosome aberrations and numerical chromosome aberrations. I explained in structural chromosome aberrations, deficiency, duplication, translocation, and inversion. And in genomic mutation, I explained euploidy and aneuploidy. Now today I will explain gene mutation, or we can say point mutation. So what is point mutation or gene mutation? So these mutations are changes that occur in an individual gene, and these are due to structural change in the DNA molecule at a single locus, and they alter the message conveyed by genes. So they are limited to a single nucleotide or a single base, which affects only a single gene. These mutations are sudden and distinct changes in the gene, and these mutations can be detected by the visible changes in the phenotype of an organism. These mutations could be dominant, recessive, lethal, harmless, X-linked, or autosomal. Now, types of gene mutation. So there are two types: substitution mutation or frame shift mutation. In this type of mutation, one base pair replaces another, or one base pair is substituted for another. That's why it is known as substitution. So there is a replacement of one nitrogenous base by another nitrogenous base. It causes a change in one codon in genetic code, and this leads to changes in one amino acid in the structure of protein. Now, frame shift mutation. It occurs as a result of addition or deletion of nucleotide in the sequence of DNA. So, addition or deletion causes shift of the reading frame of mRNA, and it leads to change in all amino acids in a structure of protein, and that's why a new protein is formed that is completely different from the previous protein. So these are substitution and frame shift mutation. Substitution mutation can be due to transition or transversion. So transversion occurs when a pyrimidine base substitute for another pyrimidine base. Pyrimidine base means thymine and cytosine. Transversion also occurs when a purine base substitutes for another purine base, that is adenine and guanine. So example, AT base pair replaces GC base pair. So here you can see this is a starting sequence or the original sequence: TCT GC G A G C G C G T A C C. Now here G is replaced by A. So now AT replaces GC. So in place of, instead of having GC, there is a AT. So AT base pair replaces GC base pair. Now transversion. It occurs when a purine base substitutes for a pyrimidine base, or vice versa. So here you can see GC is replaced by CG or TA, because in place of G, C comes and C pairs with G. So CG replaces GC or TA replaces GC. Here you can see pyrimidine to pyrimidine. So T is replaced by C or C is replaced by T. If in case of purine, then A is replaced by G is replaced by A. It is a transition. And in case of transversion, T is replaced by A or G, C is replaced by G or A. Or A is replaced by T or C, or G can be replaced by C or T. So this is transition and transversion. Now frame shift mutation. It occurs when there is an addition or deletion of nucleotide in the sequence of DNA, and this causes shift of the reading frame of mRNA. In mRNA, each codon is represented by 3 base without punctuation, and if there is insertion or deletion of a nucleotide, it will change the entire frame. So, frame shift mutation bring greater phenotypic change than point mutation, than substitution mutation. So, insertion or deletion of 3 base pair adds or remove a whole codon, and it results in addition or removal of single amino acid from polypeptide chain. There are some chemicals like acridine and proflavin. They cause loss or addition of one or two nitrogen bases in the structure of DNA, and it leads to complete change in reading of genetic code. Here, deletion. So, there's a wild type DNA AGC GTACCC TAC. Now, TA is removed now, so it becomes AGC GCC CTA and CTT. So here AGC mRNA NAGC and codes for serine. GTA means GUAN mRNA codes for valine, but now T is removed, so now GCC in mRNA codes for alanine. This CTA now codes for leucine, CTT again, leucine. So see, there is a complete change of the structure of protein. It is chain, means serine, valine, proline and tyrosine. Now there is a serine, but after serine there is alanine, leucine. Now completely different protein because of the shift of the reading frame of mRNA. Here addition. So it is the original one, CAT, and CAT codes for histidine amino acid. It is also codes for histidine, it also codes for histidine. So all the codons codes for histidine. But now there is the insertion of single nucleotide A. So here CAT codes for histidine, CAT codes for histidine, CAT codes for histidine. But now here in place of CAT now ACA, and it will code for threonine. So then TCA codes for serine, TCA codes for serine. Now there is a complete different protein structure. So it is a frame shift mutation. Now based on transcriptional property, point mutation can be of 3 types. That is silent mutation, missense mutation and nonsense mutation. So first is silent mutation. It is also known as neutral mutation because in this type of mutation there is a mutated codon and which codes same amino acids as the original codon, and this because the amino acid is the same as the original one and it will not affect the structure and composition of protein. Silent mutation cause phenotype of bacteria remains similar to that of wild type. So here you can see wild type DNA consists of HGC, GTA, CCC, TAC. 1, 2, 3, 4 codon. Now, so in second codon, you can see there is a T. In place of GTA, now GTT. GTA codes for GTT. Then in mRNA, you can see GUA. So, there is a it codes for valine, but here you can also see that GU also codes for valine. So change doesn't change, this change doesn't change the amino acids in the same. Here in the original one valine, and here also valine. After mutation also there is a valine. There is a no change in the sequence of amino acids. Here serine, valine, proline and tyrosine. Here again serine, valine, proline and tyrosine. So this type of mutation has no effect on the protein sequence. Now missense mutation. In this mutation, mutated codon codes different amino acid than other than original. Because new amino acid coded by mutated codon is altered and the protein formed from it is also altered. So protein can be less active or completely inactive. If altered amino acid lie on active site of protein, then such protein become completely non-functional. So this missense mutation causes phenotypic change in organism. Here wild type DNA, AGC, GTA, CCC, TAC. Now in missense condition there is a addition of A. So AGC, now it becomes AGC, GTA, ACC and TAC. So mRNA sequence of again change. So here AGC, GUA, CCC and UAC. But here AGC, GUA, now ACC, then UAC. So here triple C codes for proline and here ACC codes for threonine. So here complete change in the protein sequence. And originally there was a sequence serine, valine, proline and tyrosine, but after mutation there is a chain of amino acids with serine, valine, threonine and tyrosine. So in this codon ACC, you can see now in place of threonine, in place of CCC, now ACC, and CCC codes for proline and ACC will code for threonine. So it is a missense mutation. Now nonsense mutation. So in this type of mutation in which altered codon is stop codon, or we can say chain terminating codon, and this type of mutation is known as nonsense mutation. It causes incomplete synthesis, and such incomplete protein is always non-functional. So nonsense mutations bring greatest change in the phenotype of an organism because it just stops the chain of amino acids. So here you can see AGC, GTA, triple C and TAC. Now there is a change. So in place of C, now there is a G. Okay. So now you can see AGC, GUA, triple C and UAC. It codes for serine, valine, proline and tyrosine. But here in place of tyrosine now stop codon, that is UAG. So serine, valine, proline and stop. So this is a nonsense mutation. So here some more example. So this is a normal chain AUG, GCC, TGC, AAA, CGC and TGG, and it codes for methionine, alanine, cytosine, lysine, arginine and tryptophan. But now when silent occurs, then again the same amino acid alanine and alanine. But if there is a nonsense codon, then it stops. If there is a missense, so in place of cysteine there is arginine. Here frame shift. After alanine there should be cysteine, but now it's a glutamine here also. So these are the example of point mutation. Now one example of missense mutation, that is a sickle cell anemia. It is caused by point mutation in beta globin chain of hemoglobin, and it causes the hydrophilic amino acid glutamic acid to be replaced with hydrophobic amino acid valine at the sixth position. So here this is a DNA CAC, CTG, GAC, CTG, GGA, GTC, and CTC, but which codes for valine, histidine, leucine, threonine, proline, and glutamic acid and glutamic acid. So here normal 6 codon codes for glutamine. So normal protein. But now in place of GAG there is a GUG. So it will code for valine. It is a mutant protein. So here glutamic protein and it is valine. If there is a valine, then it will cause sickle cell anemia. This is a normal RBC which flowed freely within the blood vessels. This is a normal with the normal hemoglobin, and sickle cells you can see sickle shaped and they block the blood flow. These are the because they have an abnormal hemoglobin form strain and that cause sickle shape. So if there is a normal hemoglobin, then sequence will be leucine, threonine, proline, glutamine, glutamic acid, lysis, and serine. But now at the sixth position, you can see in place of glutamic there is a valine. So this is an example of missense mutation. So in today's lecture, I discussed what is point mutation, then I discussed what is substitution and frame mutation. Then substitution mutation can be due to transition or transversion. Then frame shift mutation due to deletion or addition. Then on the basis of transcriptional property, point mutation can be of three types: silent, missense, and nonsense. An example of missense mutation is a sickle cell anemia. Thank you.